Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and this is Chapter 6. Every web page is built using HTML. In this chapter, you're going to be introduced to the most important tags, and you will be developing your very own web page. HTML is the language of the internet. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is how we would structure our first web page: doc type, HTML, head, title, and body tags. So the first assignment, you're going to type exactly what you see in Notepad. We're going to save it as index.html and view the web page. After that, you're going to tailor this code and apply it to your very own website. So you'll see I put Ms. Todoric's homepage within the title. Welcome to my website. That's going to be the heading. P for paragraph. And I started typing just one sentence. I don't have a paragraph. And then I close the tags and then close HTML tag. You're going to save it as index. And at the end of this video, you'll see a sample with the pictures. So to add a picture, that is the code IMG, the tag SRC equals, and depending where the picture is located, you'll have a different source. This is the video of how to insert the picture within your first web page. Let me play that for you. Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and today we're going to insert an image into our web page. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Notepad. We're going to get the basic code we already typed in the first lesson. And then underneath the heading, we're going to insert a picture. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to hold the control key and then the plus key. And I'm just going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Underneath that heading, the tag to insert an image is IMG space SRC equals, and then you're going to have, if it's saved on the computer, we're just going to get the image source off of mstodoric.com. So what we're going to do, I uploaded all your images to my website. So we're going to go to web design. So it's under courses. You're going to scroll down to web design. You're going to find your logo or the image that you sent. I have my logo right here. I'm just going to use this pretty. I like this image. It's so pretty. We're going to right click, and then I'm going to go down to copy image address. And now I'm going to go back to my code in Notepad. And right here where it's image source, I want to Control V to paste. And then I'm going to put everything in quotation, PNG, quotation, and then the bracket. Perfect. All right, if we did it correctly, we're going to go File, Save As. We're going to save it to our desktop, index.html. We're going to save, replace the existing old file. I'm going to minimize everything. I'm going to go to my desktop. I should see index.html. If I don't, then I didn't save it to my desktop. So I want to go back, File, Save As. No, I want to click on Desktop, index.html, and then click on Save. Whoops, I did it too fast. File, Save As. I put index.html. Save it. Yes, replace the existing file. minimize. And now when I open my index, you're going to see my wonderful picture. So that's what we're going to do today. Take your time. And then future lessons, we can resize the picture, we can center it. But for now, you're going to have one picture underneath your heading. Here's the code. Thanks for watching. Perfect. I hope that helps. Then we're going to be adding links. To add a link, we have additional tags, creating tables, web forms, different form elements, the input tag, having a search engine, very important on websites, other form elements, and here's like a sample HTML paragraph that includes a numbered list. So there's some sample creating lists, dividing the page up. And there are websites out there that can help you validate your HTML code. For example, that validator.w3.org. And then I've included a ton of references directly from the textbook. It gives you the tag and the description. Some more tags, line breaks, horizontal lines, forms, text, tables. So there's a tag for everything. And that's the end of chapter 6. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.